guys, it's your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel. We're jumping right in with this rosehip oil that I'm going to put all over my face. Pat that in my face really good. Then I'm going to jump into that NYX full coverage concealer and just put that right on those lines right there and blend them out really good with my brush, my MAC flat brush, and also my finger. Now we're jumping right into that NARS, and I'm going to use only 2 pumps and take my fluffy MAC brush. And I love this brush. I forgot what this brush is called. I'll put it in the description below, but it gives me full coverage and even coverage. That's why I love this brush. And this is a good brush to use for all over the face. Then I'm going to take my Shape Tape and put that right under my eye and kind of highlight it a little brighter than I usually would, just because I'm doing a photo shoot, so you know I like to be snatched and shining to the sky, honey, okay? Take note. Then I'm going to blend the outer points with my beauty blender, and also I'm going to take a Real Technique brush, and this is 301, and I do this and beauty blend for under my eye. And I usually start from the bottom and work my way in. Now I'm going to use that NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Banana setting powder and set those eyes before I continue with blending out the rest of my face, because I crease very fast. And then I'm just going to continue blending out the rest of my face real good for you guys, using beauty blender and brush, of course. Now I'm going to take the Contour NYX and just highlight my, not highlight, but just contour my cheekbones and my nose. And I'm going to hurry up and blend that out with the Real Technique 300 brush, because it is a little matte and it dries a little bit fast, but I like that it dries darker. That's why I use it. So I kind of do my nose first and then highlight and do my cheeks, and then I'll do the NYX Contour 3-step kit and put that all over my face, and then highlight it back with the banana powder under my cheek, just to give it that cool highlight look. You feel what I'm saying? And this was my first time also doing my eyebrows after doing my makeup, and I did pretty good. And the undertone of my eye is also the P. Louise Rumor Base 6. And I'm going to just blend that out all on my eyelid, all over my eye, to give it that natural look, and then go over top of that with the Rumor 2 Base P. Louise. Now we're going to jump into that James Charles Morphe palette and use that brown right there, and take a little teeny Morphe brush. I don't know what this brush is, but I'll definitely let you guys know in the description, and just tap that and build that right in my crease. Now I'm going to take that brown and take my M506 brush, and I'm actually going to blend that upward out from the outer part of my crease and a little bit on my eye bone, and just blend that out really good into that brown color. And then I'm just taking a fluffy brush to seamless it. Now I'm going right into the cut crease, and woo, it was so hard, honey. I couldn't breathe for half of it, but I did really good. And I'm just using any type of skinny flat brush just to cut my crease and make sure it's very neat. This is my first time, but you know, if this is your first time too, we're going to get better. That's all. Now I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Goals eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that all over where I cut my crease. And actually I like this too because it was a liquid eyeshadow, so it helped whatever mistakes I made from my crease. Now I'm going to take my M506 brush again and blend the outer corners and make sure it looks really good and seamless. Now I'm going to take my LA liner, black, in the color black, and just do a cool little wing line. Wanted to do something a little extra for my boos, just to see if y'all guys would like it, you know. And I thought, hey, bunk it, let me just go all the way, alright? So I went all the way and winged this eye all the way out, okay? And then I just touched it up with a flat brush and used some of that Rumor 6 base concealer and just touched it up. Then I just took some black and put it over the liner just to give it that smoked out, seamless look. And then took all the colors that I put on top, which was only the 2, and just put it under my eye and smoked my eye out really, really good. Then I went in that e.l.f. blush. No, as y'all can see, it just melts on my skin like butter. And then I took that Skin Mineral finish in the color Dark Deep and just put that all over my face. And then for lip, I use this cool MAC lip. I will put it in the description box below. And then I just took any cute little pink and put it over top. And of course, spray that Morphe all over my face to give it that beautiful finish. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see my boos in my next video. Mwah.